I got my Boxycharm box for the month of November. I'm so excited. Let's see what I got. You guys ready? Let's open it. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day or night. All right. Oh, so yeah, this is like a discount to get a Natasha Denona palette. All right, probably won't use this. Looky how pretty this card is. Boxycharm Harvest. So pretty. And in the back it tells you the things I got. All right, and I got variation 53. All right, let's see. The first thing I see here is this eyebrows volumized fiber gel by Kimi Brown by Benefits. All right, this one is for $24. Okay, let's open it and see. Look at how cute this packaging is. Super cute. All right. Let's see what's next. This next thing I see here is this by 111 Skin, Harley's Estee London Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Booster. Ooh. Okay, this feels like glass, super cute. All right, this one is for $135. Wow, looks like that. All right, put it back. The next thing I see here is this Moisture Replenish Syrup by, I don't know which one is the brand, but let's open it. Oh, this is glass, and this is for $24. Alright, let's put it over here. The next thing is here. Ooh, is this lip fondant. Oh, they're lip gloss. So cute. Ooh, and this one is $32. Okay, cute. The next thing here is this liquid corrector. All right. Looks like that. Okay. Oh, all right, so that's all I got. And this one is for $15. So I got this, I got this, I got 3 lipsticks. Then I got this one that I put it back. And this one. Alright, so not bad. I'm excited for this one, and this one, and this one. Look at the colors, are really pretty. Alright, so this is what I got in my November Boxycharm. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day or night. Stay safe and healthy and positive vibes only. Bye. On to the next one. Bye.